Hello, my name's Alan Simmons, and I'll be taking you through Good eLearning's 1-hour webinar, in which I'll share the 10 things you should know to get started with TOGAF 10. First, a little bit about me. I work across two fields. As a DPO, I focus on the practical and legal challenges organizations face with respect to data protection. The second area I work in is enterprise architecture, and I'm also a contributor to several standards, including TOGAF. I'm interested in how enterprise architecture can be used to address business challenges and operating model challenges. The Open Group announced the release of TOGAF 10 on the 22nd of April this year. And this created a great deal of interest amongst architecture and other communities. While much of the new TOGAF standard will feel the same to those of you who already know or are certified under TOGAF 9.2, there are several areas that you'll need to consider when using the new standard. So why attend? Well, we're going to cover a number of areas, including a recap of the new version of the TOGAF 10 standard, looking at the fundamental content, the extended guidance, and the TOGAF library. We'll also look at recognizing when an enterprise architecture initiative is relevant and when to consider extending your business architecture. Finally, we'll look at understanding where and how to use some of the new material in TOGAF 10, such as enterprise agility, the digital enterprise, the updated definitions and glossary, and the enterprise meta model. So please join us on December the 15th at 1800 UK to hear about the 10 things you need to know to get started with TOGAF 10.